I'm Michael Hilkemeyer, and I help teachers successfully integrate technology in their early learning environment. Enroll in our full online PD for early childhood educators in preschool, kindergarten, and early primary today to gain front row access to our early childhood education expert interviews beginning soon. You will learn firsthand from key experts in technology in early childhood education, such as Chip Donahue, the founding director of Technology in Early Childhood Center at the Erickson Institute, and many more. All webinars are free to online course participants to further ramp up your ICT competence and confidence in integrating technology in your early childhood learning environment successfully today. So click on the link below and get a free preview into the course today, plus a sneak peek at our expert panel scheduled for early next year. With just one payment, you'll gain course lifetime access to all future expert interviews, new content, and new resources, giving you the continual professional development that you need in order to make an impact on child learning with practical and immediately actionable advice on the best practices to maximize the use of ICT today. This course is worth 11 hours of CPD to add to your records. So enroll today by clicking the link now and begin your process of learning how to harness the potential of technology in early childhood education today.